So we're using our 4-inch tile tape, and what we're doing is we're connecting two 6-inch dual wall pipes. You can see how the tile tape, it's a watertight seal. It won't let tree roots in. The tree roots, that's what you're worried about. They'll sniff out the water. So you want to make sure that you seal it up really good with tile tape. This is a discharge line for one of our French drain systems. This is 6-inch dual wall. We also have a 6-inch dual wall that's going to be running parallel with it. That's going to be for the gutter system. So we'll have two parallel 6-inch dual wall discharge lines. All the connections are going to be made like that. Now we like the 20-footers, less connections, less tile tape. So I recommend it. A guy came to our yard today and picked a bunch of them up, and I want to share with you what he did. He took a trailer that had wood sides, and he screwed a couple of 2x10s on the top of his trailer that were 16 feet long, and we strapped 5 of these on them. And it was a little trailer too. That was the part that blew my mind. It was like a 6-foot bed, and just, you know, they hung over the tongue, and they all right, so let's take a look at this. And he you know, you got to put a flag on them, you know, something bright like orange or red. So look at these connections. Look at how nice that is. So this is the belled end, and this is the end that you stick inside the bell. And look at how much tape we used. Look at how we sealed it tight so the tree roots can't get in. And they took it right to the end of the bell here. So, no, that's really nice. Some really nice work. To learn more about yard dewatering, subscribe. If you'd like to see a particular video, you have one in mind that we haven't already done, we'd love to hear your ideas. Please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.
Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and today we're doing something a little bit different. There is a yard drainage contractor out there on YouTube that shares the most unbelievable content for French drain systems and for dewatering your lawn. And I just got to share this guy's info with everybody. So if you guys are hiring a drainage contractor, whether it's us working in a crawl space or a basement, and you're looking for somebody to take care of your yard drainage, wherever you're at across the nation, you want to watch this guy's videos. No matter who you hire, you want to make sure that they're doing it like this guy does it. I mean, it is just mind-blowing. So check out the French Drain Man. I'm going to show you his YouTube channel just in a second, right after this. Okay, so here we go. Here you go to YouTube, right, and just type in French Drain Man. It'll bring you to his YouTube channel. All right, this guy has so much great content on yard drainage. I mean, how to install proper drain, why you need to install it these ways, this special yellow pipe and other different types of pipes that he covers here, like pinhole versus slotted, and how many slots and how are they cut and why is that important. And he's dispelling myths about different types of drain styles and everything else. You'll learn about the NDS pipe, easy flow, all that, the pros, the cons to it. I mean, he shows you just about all these other failed systems that everybody thinks is a good system and why they're getting called back and how you do it properly so it lasts an absolute lifetime. I mean, this guy makes digging a trench sexy. I don't even know that you could actually do that, but apparently you can, because this guy has figured out how to make trenches sexy. So if you guys are looking to hire a yard drainage contractor, you might not. He's in Michigan, Macomb County, and he services the surrounding areas. But this guy is just absolutely the best of the best that I've ever seen for any type of draining. You really got to check this guy out. I just absolutely had to share his channel. You'll know him by this yellow pipe that you see all over his videos, right? It's kind of like a trademark thing. And then this guy here, you really just got to get educated on this. If you are going to spend, a couple $1,000s on yard drainage, you want to make sure it's right and it lasts forever. If we're great at crawl space encapsulations, this guy is the absolute man when it comes to yard drainage, and he has forever changed the way that we look at drainage in crawl spaces and basements and yards, everything. I mean, there's so much knowledge coming from Robert Sherwood. It is unbelievable. His technicians, I hope they really appreciate where they work and who they're working for. All the technicians, I just got to give a big shout out to you guys that are actually doing this work. Man, you guys are great. Absolutely phenomenal. Big fan. So anyways, everybody, this is just a video shout out really to the French Drain Man on YouTube. Go over to his YouTube, subscribe, and then hit this bell, right? And you'll get the notifications when the new videos come out. He's putting stuff out all the time. He's got some of the best content on YouTube. Definitely subscribe to this guy's channel. Hit that notification bell. Soak up the knowledge that he's got. That's all I have for now. If you guys want to learn about crawl spaces, crawl space drainage, basement waterproofing, mold remediation, water damage, please do the same. Go over to Hydro Hero, subscribe to our channel, and right over here, subscribe to our channel, right? And check out all the videos and great content that we have there. But again, this isn't about Hydro Hero. This is really a shout out to the French Drain Man. You can also go to FrenchDrainMan.com. So that's all I got. Robert Sherwood, keep up the great work. We love the content that you're putting out. So many of us contractors really appreciate what you're doing. You are the absolute man. Have a wonderful day, bud.